Hello. Hello, Royal family. You guys, please excuse me. I was supposed to put up a video last night, which is Thursday, and I'm supposed to do one on Saturday for our culinary segment. But I promise you, I was super tired. Still tired, but gotta do what I gotta do. So today we're going to do a clam chowder. Yes, I'm in the mood for clam chowder. I know some people don't like clams. You know, sometimes they can be a little smelly. But I found this brand that I truly love, and it's called Bumble Bee. And also remember, when I post a video, just in case I leave something out, I will have the instructions and the ingredients in the description box below. And that will be correct. I want to thank all of my new subscribers. Thank you. I want to thank my ride or die subscribers. You guys rock. And I will come back on either Saturday or Sunday to do our culinary segment. And this time I'm going to show you guys how to do a fruit tray. So that way you won't have to be going to these stores and buying these fruit trays, which honestly, most of the time they don't even wash their fruit off. And that is a no-no. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up. Please share and subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay connected. All right, you guys, let's get this train on the track and get this clam chowder done. Okay, in this bowl here, I have 2 russet potatoes that I cut up. I'm not going to dare say diced because it's not diced right. But about this size, if you can see that. You see? About that size right there. Here I have 1 can of the Bumble Bee whole baby clams. And let me show you the can. These are the clams that I really love. And they're whole baby clams. So I have 1 can of that. I got gloves on too, you guys. I have lemon juice here, which I'm going to use probably a teaspoon of that. Anytime you do any type of seafood, lemon juice always enhances the flavor. I have half and half. I'm probably going to use, I'm gonna say maybe about a cup of the half and half. I have the better than bouillon, and I have the seasoned vegetable base. So we're really gonna be careful with our salt, all right? Here I have a cup of Parmesan cheese, which is going to make the base of the clam chowder great. Here I have 2 tablespoons of flour, and I also have 2 tablespoons of butter in a small skillet. And you guys, this is what my grandbaby did. I didn't have the nerve to redo them, but I am going to pull off the little stems right there. But she chopped this up with a case knife, and I mean, she was so cute doing it. She say she's trying to be a chef like her granny. Oh, how cute. Here I have 1/2 of a large onion diced up. I have garlic powder, granulated garlic, I'm sorry. And here I have fresh parsley, which I'm gonna say I'm gonna use about a teaspoon in the recipe, and then I'm gonna garnish with the parsley. Forgetting my thoughts. All right, you guys, in a pot here, I have half a tablespoon of butter and half a tablespoon of butter and a tablespoon of canola oil. What we're going to do, we're going to saute the onions and the celery for about 10 minutes. Then I will come back and show you what we'll do next. Also, you guys, I wanted to show you this right here. This is a 1/3 of a teaspoon of thyme. I just put it in the potato water because we're actually going to pour the water and the potatoes in the pot. So this is a 1/3 teaspoon of thyme. All right, you want your onions and celery to saute for about 10 minutes. And in this saute mixture, I did a teaspoon of the vegetable base bouillon, and I did a teaspoon of garlic, granulated garlic. So now I'm going to stir this up and add the potatoes, the water, and the thyme. All right, I've added the potatoes and the thyme. We're going to let this cook for about 10 minutes. And while the potatoes are getting done, we're going to go ahead and start our roux. All right, this is 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of flour. Remember, equal parts flour, equal part oil or butter. And we want a blonde roux, since this is a clam chowder soup or stew or however you want to say it. We want this to be blonde. So put it on low and just keep stirring it. Do not allow it to get any color. And you can do this for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then the flour taste will be cooked all out of it. But this is what you call a blonde roux, meaning there is no color that will be given to this. All right, the clam chowder soup is coming along really well. Sorry for keep hitting this this phone too. All right, see you guys back in a minute. Oh, and what I'm going to do is take a little of the broth from the potatoes and put in here and just stir it. Then we'll add it to the pot. All right, change of plans. You know, in the blonde roux, I decided to put a cup of the half and half in it. And now I'm going to add the Parmesan cheese and then take it off the eye. You see how thick it's getting? Okay, now we're about to stop cooking it and add the Parmesan cheese. Okay, I added the blonde roux with the Parmesan cheese. And now you can start adding your salt and pepper. I did put a teaspoon of sea salt in it, because you have to remember you have the Parmesan cheese, and that is pretty salty. So we're going to cook this for about 5 more minutes, which the potatoes cook for 10 minutes. And then at the very end, put your clams in, because they're already done and you don't want them to be rubbery. But does that look delicious or what? And I mean, the flavor is on point. All right, so the next time you guys see me, I will show you the final presentation. And also, I added 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. All right, this is it. Final presentation coming up. All right, Royal family, here is the finished product of the clam chowder. Now, when I tell you winner, clam chowder dinner, oh my God, this is another one you have to put in your arsenal. The flavor is awesome. So I will definitely be sure and put this recipe in the description box below. But I want you to see this. Can you see some of the clams in that? Let me see if I can get you a close up. Look at this. And I mean, it's hot, you guys. I don't know if you can see that, but look at that. And with the Parmesan cheese, it just gives it another flavor, and the lemon juice. Oh yeah, I'm going in. Hold on. And some people like it with crackers. I just put crackers at the bottom, but I literally just like it by itself. All right, here I go. Oh, hot. Woohoo. Mmm. Oh my God. This is so freaking good. All right, you guys. Stay blessed. And I will see you guys either tomorrow or Sunday So we can do our culinary segment on a fruit tray. Let me just go back in one more time. Look at that. Some kind of delicious. All right, you guys. Have a good night.